Hey guys, Spencer from Builderpreneur here. Are you tearing your hair out to try to get good content ideas for your next YouTube video or blog post? I'm going to tell you 3 ways that you can put together so many ideas right now, you'll never have that problem again. Stay tuned. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. 3 things before we get started. The first one is, if you're not subscribed to this channel, you need to be. I promise you we put out a ton of good content on how to crush it on YouTube and how to make money on YouTube. Second, if you stay till the end, there's going to be access to a free training we're going to give you at the end card, and it's going to teach you, basically it's going to show you inside my affiliate marketing and my YouTube business. I'm going to show you how I was able to get 10,000 subscribers, how I was able to monetize those subscribers, and how I was able to win a free car along the journey. So it's pretty cool training. And the third thing is, I want you to tell me how you're currently doing it. How are you currently coming up with ideas? Like, are you just like winging them or coming off the top of your head? Are you stealing them from what other people are doing? What are you doing right now to come up with content ideas for your YouTube channel? All right, let's dive right in. So we're gonna hop into YouTube right here, and we'll show you exactly what it is, okay? So all you're gonna do is you're gonna do a space, and then you're gonna do a dash, and then you're gonna do a space, and then you're gonna type in a keyword, okay? And this keyword can be like what your channel is about, right? Affiliate marketing, or YouTube marketing, or losing weight, or anything like that, right? So we're gonna use affiliate marketing because that's what a lot of my channel talks about, a lot of affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, things like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the space, dash, and then the word you're talking about, and then you're gonna leave a space, okay? So first it's gonna give you a bunch of things that people have typed in that end in affiliate marketing, okay? So you can see right here all these different how to start, ClickBank, Amazon, how to do, some random guy, how to make, JVZoo, all that stuff, okay? Then you can get really, really deep here and you start typing in letters, okay? And it'll give you this. See, if I type in A, it's gonna give me all the letters that start with A, where their search phrase then ended in affiliate marketing, okay? So Amazon affiliate marketing, same guy that we don't know, affiliate marketing. I feel like I should know him. He seems like he's really famous. And then a ton more, Amazon affiliate marketing in Pakistan, Amazon affiliate marketing without email, a bunch of other locations. Affiliate marketing for beginners, ideas for affiliate marketing. Okay, and look, B, we can do the same thing. Best affiliate marketing websites, Bing ads, affiliate marketing, best niche for affiliate marketing. You see how easy this is, okay? And we're just on B right now. You can do the same thing, D, E, F. Just so many words, right? So each of these is going to give you, what, 10? So now you're looking at 260 potential keywords that you can start targeting and making videos around. And why are they such good ideas? Because this is what YouTube is thinking you're going to search for, because other people are searching for that, okay? So you know it's got search volume straight from the belly of the beast, YouTube here. The same thing works on Google, by the way. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is talk about a plugin. It's called VidIQ. There's a link somewhere probably down below that you can get access to this. There's a free and then like a really cheap paid plan. I say go paid, but obviously we all have different budgets. So let me show you how to use that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to type in a subject. Okay, I'm going to type in affiliate marketing up here. And it's going to give me a bunch of videos about affiliate marketing and some new ads that YouTube is testing. Yay! Always testing new ads. Okay, and then I've closed it down here. The VidIQ extension is going to pull up. And one, it's going to give you some good information about that particular keyword, okay? It's going to say, hey, it's pretty good in search volume and it's pretty low in competition, which is kind of strange. I think it's wrong on that one if you want the full truth. But anyway, if you scroll down here, this is where it gets interesting. It gives you related queries, okay? So, how to affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, Amazon, boom, affiliate marketing online, affiliate marketing website, make money affiliate marketing tutorial, right? These are all keywords that people are searching for. Facebook marketing, affiliate marketing with Facebook, ClickBank affiliate marketing. These are things people are searching for, okay? They've got volume. You know it's going to be a good piece of content because it's what the user wants. It's what people are already trying to figure out and learn. It's a really good idea into the mindset of some of these people that are like your target audience, okay? And you can do the same thing with lose weight, right? Type in lose weight, and boom, it's going to give me a bunch of videos. It's going to give me kind of the fact that, wow, it's really hard to rank videos for losing weight. Totally understandable. But then it's going to give me all these other cool ideas right here. How to lose weight fast, how to lose weight, exercise to lose weight, diet, lose weight, exercise. And then you can honestly take it a step further. And if you go into log into your VidIQ account, once you get that set up, and you have a paid account, but I'm just showing you the free way, a paid account can give you more than 25. So this just gives you 25, but a paid account can give you like hundreds of them if you do it inside a paid VidIQ account. Third thing, go to competitors, okay? This is another one of my favorites that a lot of people don't do. So one of the people that I like to follow who's absolutely crushing it in my space, okay, the affiliate marketing space, his name is Kevin David, okay? So we can go to Kevin David, we can click on his channel, and you can do this for anyone in your space. We're going to go to videos, and we're going to go to sort by most popular, okay? And what is this? Well, this is the videos that that are crushing it for your competitors, okay? That their audiences are loving and that clearly have a lot of volume and stuff like that and a lot of excitement around because they're crushing it. So his biggest video is 1.8 million views, how to advertise on Facebook for beginners. His next video, make $30 per hour watching videos, make $100 per day on YouTube, how to create an e-commerce store from scratch, 7 websites. So this keyword he's going for is probably websites to make $100 a day or something like that. How to find products to sell on Amazon. Okay, you're seeing this? Like there's tons of different of videos here that are clearly like awesome content ideas because the users are liking them, they're watching them, and 500,000 people were interested in that. So that's probably a good video idea for you if Kevin David is one of your competitors, okay? Between those 3 ways, all you're going to do is you're going to do this research, you're going to spend a couple hours doing all that research, and you're going to get an Excel sheet here. My keywords are blurred out because I did all this research, and I don't want you guys stealing all my ideas, but you're going to get this big Excel sheet, looks just like this, okay? And these are all the keywords that you can starting to create content around because you know it's got search volume, you know it's got popularity on YouTube, and now you never again have to sit down and be like, what in the world am I going to make my next video about? Like, and then you end up not making a video and you end up on Facebook scrolling because you don't want to sit there and think about it, right? So now I can get in, I can sit down, and I can film 10 videos in a row. Boom, 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 boom. I've already got everything mapped out there, ready. I've got the ideas for my videos all ready to go, okay? So let me know if you like. Give me a thumbs up if you like these methods. And let me know which method you like the most. Remember, I told you stay till the end. And right after this, there's going to be an end screen that pulls up. And there's going to be a link to a free training where I give you tons more information on how to like annihilate it on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And remember, take life by the horns.